Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of my channel. Today I am at the Lower Düden Waterfall in Antalya. This is one of the most amazing views in the city. The water falls directly from high cliff into the Mediterranean Sea. The sounds here is powerful and view is perfect for photos and videos. You can enjoy the view from the park or take a boat tour to see waterfall from the sea. This is one of the best spots in Antalya to relax and enjoy nature. That was my visit to the Lower Düden Waterfalls. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and tell me in the comments, would you like to see this waterfall from land or from the sea? Until next time, take care of yourself and see you on the next video.